Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious radish pickles with vinegar. This simple guide will help you create a vibrant, tangy condiment perfect for enhancing many meals. Radish pickles are incredibly versatile, adding a delightful crunch and a burst of flavor to tacos, salads, or even just as a snack. We will cover everything from selecting your radishes to the final storage, ensuring you achieve perfectly crisp and flavorful results every time. Get ready to transform humble radishes into a culinary delight. First, let's prepare our radishes. Begin by thoroughly washing about 1 pound of fresh radishes and trimming off both the tops and tails. Next, slice them thinly, aiming for a consistent thickness of about 1/8 to 1/4 inch. This ensures they pickle evenly and absorb the brine beautifully. After slicing, place the radishes in a bowl and toss them with 1 teaspoon of salt. Let them sit for about 30 minutes. This crucial step draws out excess water, guaranteeing your pickles remain wonderfully crisp. Now, let's create the flavorful pickling brine. In a small saucepan, combine 1 cup of white vinegar, 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil over medium heat, stirring continuously until both the sugar and salt have completely dissolved. For an extra layer of flavor, consider adding a few whole garlic cloves, a pinch of black peppercorns, or even a bay leaf to the brine. This aromatic blend will infuse your radishes with incredible taste. Finally, it's time to pickle and store your radishes. After draining and rinsing your salted radishes, pack them tightly into clean, sterilized glass jars. Carefully pour the hot brine over the radishes, making sure they are completely submerged. Tap the jars gently to release any air bubbles. Seal the jars tightly with their lids and allow them to cool to room temperature before transferring them to the refrigerator. For the best flavor, let them marinate for at least 24 hours. These delicious pickled radishes will stay fresh in your refrigerator for up to 2 to 3 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.